how to auto feed line on your Ryobi ONE Plus grass trimmer. So first things first, we turn it over and you can see the spool here. This is just a plain spool. However, if yours has a black button in the middle, this indicates it's a bump feed. And what you need to do is bump it on the ground like that, and this will auto feed your grass trimmer line. Now, another way to auto feed the line, and this version has this, is press the trigger to start up your grass trimmer, and if we listen carefully, did you hear that click? That is the Ryobi ONE Plus grass trimmer auto feeding. That little click at the end, once the trimmer slows down, it'll auto feed a little bit of line. Now this can waste a lot of line, however, that's a feature on some Ryobi ONE Plus grass trimmers. Now if neither of them things are working for you and you're not getting any line out, what you can do is you can flip it over and you can see this button here on the spool. Just press it. Some require just keep pressing it and a little bit of line releases. Some require you to hold the button and pull the line. As you can see, that's releasing some extra line. And you want to get it just past this cutter here on the bottom of the strimmer. Start the strimmer up and this will cut the line to the perfect length for you. So that's how to auto feed the line on the Ryobi ONE Plus grass trimmer. If you found this video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.